Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the actual workspace and putting the editor on the file you want to inspect. Once done, add breakpoints in the gutter or press F9. Use a conditional breakpoint when you need precise triggers. Next, open the Run and Debug panel and pick an existing launch configuration or let VS Code generate launch. JSON. This tells the debugger how to run your program. Make sure the correct runtime and program path are selected before you hit the green play button. Now, control execution to observe behavior. Use step into to enter functions, step over to skip internal lines, and step out to finish the current function. This helps you isolate where state changes. Meanwhile, hover variables to see values and pin key expressions in the watch panel. The call stack shows your path of execution. Add log points for nonstop logging or evaluate expressions directly in the debug console. Make sure to combine these tools to trace both data and control flow effectively. To wrap up, use the debug toolbar to stop, restart, or continue running after you inspect a problem. Restart runs a fresh session so you can confirm fixes. Disable or clear redundant breakpoints to reduce noise, and rerun the failing scenario to validate behavior. If the debugger doesn't hit breakpoints or shows stale code, check your launch. JSON, confirm source maps are enabled for transpiled languages and ensure the runtime matches your configuration. These steps solve most attachment and mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.